Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to hit the campaign trail in Udhampur as a star campaigner for Union Minister Jitendra Singh. Prime Minister will be addressing a mega rally in Udhampur today. And in fact, 4 years after revocation of Article 370 has taken centre stage in the poll campaign in Jammu and Kashmir, especially in the Udhampur Lok Sabha constituency, where Union Minister Jitendra Singh is seeking re-election for the third term.
मुझे लगता है भरपूर उत्साह है और बड़ी भारी मात्रा में, बड़ी भारी संख्या में यहाँ पर लोग मोदी जी के दर्शन करने के अभिलाषी हैं, उनकी बात सुनने को व्याकुल हैं। विशेषकर नारी शक्ति को देखकर एक अद्भुत उत्साह है जो शायद पहले बहुत अधिक देखने को कभी अक्सर नहीं मिला। मोदी जी ने सदा जम्मू कश्मीर को प्राथमिकता दी, इस क्षेत्र के साथ उनका खास लगाव भी रहा।
All right, let's now take you through how the fight looks like, who the candidates are as far as the Udhampur constituency is concerned. Jitendra Singh, Union Minister, has been fielded from Udhampur by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and then you have Chaudhry Lal Singh from the Congress, and GM Saruri has been fielded from Udhampur as well. This is how the fight is going to look like as far as Udhampur is concerned. Let's take a look at these candidates and their profile and what they've done so far, the potential, why they've been chosen. As far as Chaudhry Lal Singh is concerned, he is a 2-time MP and a 3-time MLA. Switched from Congress to BJP in 2014. So he made that switch in 2014. He was also a minister in the BJP-PDP government. There were, remember, allegations, sensational allegations against him. In 2018, he supported the Katwa rape accused, and right after that, in fact, he attended a rally backing the rape accused. That's when action was taken. That's when things went against Chaudhry Lal Singh. He had to resign from the Bharatiya Janata Party following uproar. There was a demand for action against him. He then launched his own political party in 2019. So Chaudhry Lal Singh is a candidate from Udhampur. He's launched his own party in 2019. We have Pradeep Datta joining us on the broadcast with more details. Pradeep, we are talking about the fight in Udhampur, and as far as Chaudhry Lal Singh is concerned, he, remember, is the Congress candidate, a 2-time MP and 3-time MLA. He did form his own party in 2019. Now that is something that in fact was questioned as far as Congress party's support is concerned to this candidate. Also take us through the fight, how it looks like.
See, it's going to be a very keen contest so far as Udhampur constituency is concerned. That's one of the reasons that the Prime Minister today is going to address a mega rally, and he's going to campaign for MOS to PMO Dr. Jitendra Singh, who is 2-time MP, and he's going to, this time again, trying to retain seat for the 3rd time. And so far as the Chaudhry Lal Singh, you rightly said that he had been a controversial candidate, reason being that he had supported the rape victim, because that's one of the reasons that many people raised questions that why the Congress party that keeps on talking about the Nyay, they have given a ticket to a man who had been trying to support the family members of the rapist rather than supporting the family members of the victim. So that's what the question had been raised. So he's also a 2-time MP because it was in 2004 and 2009 he won the election from this area. Jitendra Singh had been MP, right now the sitting MP, 2014 again and 2019. In 2014 he defeated Ghulam Nabi Azad, that time with 70,000 votes. In 2019 he won with the margin of more than 3 lakh votes. And this time again he is quite confident because he is contesting election on the development plank. He says the kind of a development that the BJP has done will easily help him sail through. And we saw that just 2 days back it was Yogi Adityanath, the star campaigner, who was there in Katwa campaigning for Dr. Jitendra Singh. Now it's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He will be addressing a rally at about 10:30. And obviously the Prime Minister, whenever he's addressing a rally, and definitely he will be talking about Article 370, because Article 370 abrogation was the main decision that was taken by the BJP. After this, the country was properly integrated with Jammu and Kashmir, because Jammu and Kashmir, otherwise BJP felt that Article 370 was kind of a stonewall that was preventing the proper integration. So he'll be talking about that. The Prime Minister is expected to talk about the development, because the main thing had been Shahpur Kandi Dam, because that has come up in the Ranjit Sagar area, which is close to the Katwa as well as Punjab.
Campaign for Jitendra Singh, and like you said, there will be a mention of revocation of Article 370 and the changes that Jammu and Kashmir has witnessed post that in terms of development. Pradeep, thank you for getting us the details. We're moving on now and